Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how to connect Brave Rewards to Brave Wallet. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First of what you need to do is just open up Brave. Let's go ahead and open up Brave like this. And once you're inside Brave, what you need to do, you just need to press on these three dots on the corner. Once you press on it, you'll see some options, but you just got to go ahead and press on the option of Brave Rewards. Once you press on it, you'll see this term condition options. Go ahead and press agree. Now right over here, it'll show you your ads and the ads you've seen. What you can do is just press on connect account. And once you do this, you'll see some options over here where it says choose where you'd like to receive BAT and to begin earning. And what you need to do is just press on this self-custody option where you see Brave Wallet. Just go ahead and press on that. And after that, it's just straightforward. You just gotta go ahead and press on Brave Wallet, and it's recommended. If you don't have it, just create one. If you already have it, like a Solana wallet or whatever, just go ahead and press connect, and you're good to go. And yeah, you just need a wallet, or if you don't have it, just go ahead and create it, and you're good to go after that. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this truly actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.